Here scope of a variable means part of a program where it is accessible. That is area where you can refer, use it. We can say that scope hold the current set of values and variables and their values. There are two types of scopes, local scope and global scope. Local scope is a variable declared inside the function's body or in the local scope is known as the local variable. There are the rules of local variable. A variable with local scope can be accessed only within the function or block that is created in. When a variable is created inside the function or block, the variable becomes local to it. A variable only exits while the function is executing. The format arguments are also local to the function. Here, what are the variables declared inside the function that are local variables? So, inside the function or block, what are the variables is created that is also a local variable. Example for creating a local variable, def loc y equal to 0. Inside a function, we define the variable. So, that is a local scope. Print of y, loc, that is function will be exit. Output is 0. So, here y is assigned to be the 0. So, print of y, that is 0. So, the output will be 0. Next example, def loc y equal to local, loc print of y. When we run the code, it produces some error because we are trying to access a local variable y in a global scope. So they found our name y is not defined. That is a type of naming error. Global variable. A variable with global scope can be used anywhere in the program, and also it can be created by defining a variable outside the scope of any function or block. Here the rules are, when we define a variable outside a function, it's global by default. We don't have to use the global keyword. If we use global keyword to read and write a global variable inside a function, that is we have to modify the function. We are using the global keyword. Use of global keyword outside a function has no effect. Here the example for accessing global variable from inside a function. C equal to 1. Outside the function we define a variable, so it is a global variable. Def add, print of C, add. Here the output is 1. The next program is x equal to 0. Def add global x equal to x plus 5, print of inside add function, x value is a comma x, add, print of in main x values comma x. Here the output, inside add function x value is 5, in main x value is 5. In this program, x is defined as a global variable. Inside the add function, global keyword is used for x and we increment the variable x by 5. Now we can see the change on the global variable x outside the function. That is, the value of x is 5. So the output is inside add function x value is 5, in main x value is 5 because they call the x value. Here the first program represent using global and local variables in same code. X equal to 8 outside a variable, so that is a global variable. Def loc global x y equal to local, x equal to x asterisk 2, print of x, print of y, loc. Here the program, we declare x as global and y as local variable in the function loc. After calling the function loc, the value of x becomes 16 because we used x equal to x asterisk 2. After that, we print the value of the local variable y, that is local. Here the value of x equal to 8. then incremented by with asterisk of 2, that is 8 equal to 8 into 2 equal to 16. So the output is 16 and the value of the local variable y is local. Global variable and local variable with the same name. X equal to 5, def log x equal to 10, print of local x, comma x, log print of global x, comma x. In this code, we use the same name x for both global variable and local variable. We get different result when we print same variable because the variables declare in both scopes. The local scope, that is inside the function log, and the global scope, that is outside the function log. The output is when the local x is 10 is called local scope of a variable. The output is global x is 5 is called global scope for variable. Function using libraries, built-in and mathematical function, that is functions that are built with Python. Here the first one is ABS, that is absolute value. Returns an absolute value of a number. The arguments may be an integer or a floating point number. The syntax is ABS of x. Here the example, x equal to 20, y equal to minus 23.2. Print of x equal to, comma, absolute of x, print of y equal to absolute value of y. So the output of, here the output is the absolute value of 20 is 20, the absolute value of minus 23.2 is plus 23.2. Next one is ordered function. It returns the ASCII value for the given Unicode character. What is meant by ASCII value? It's an acronym for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It's a code for representing 128 English characters as numbers with each letter assigned number from 0 to 127. Unicode character is nothing but universal character encoding standard using for representation of text for computer processing. So here order function is nothing but returns the ASCII value for the given Unicode character. Here the syntax is order of x. Example, C is equal to A, D is equal to uppercase A. So print both C and A. Here the output is the ASCII value of lowercase letter c is 97. The ASCII value of uppercase A equal to 65. Next function is char function. Returns the Unicode character for the given ASCII value. This function is inverse of odd function. Here the syntax is CHR of I. Example, C is equal to 65, D is equal to 49. Print of CHR of C, print of CHR of D. Here given the ASCII value, it returns the Unicode character. Here the output is A and plus. Bin function. It returns a binary string prefixed with 0b for the given integer number. Format function can also be instead of this function. Here the syntax is bin of I. Example, x equal to 15, y is equal to 101. Print of 15 in binary, comma, bin of x, print of 101 in binary, comma, bin of y. Here the output is 15 in binary 0b1111, 101 in binary 0b1100101. It returns the binary string values. Next one is type function. It returns the type of object for the given single object. It represents what type of object, whether it is a string or boolean or int or float, like that. Here the syntax is type of object. Example, x equal to 15.2, y equal to a, s equal to true, print of type of x, print of type of y, print of type of s. Here the output is class float, class string, class boolean. Here 15.2, it represents the floating number. A character, that is a collection character or collection of characters enclosed within a single quote or double quote. It represents the string. So y is string, s equal to true. It represents whether true or false. It contains the Boolean expression. ID function, it returns the identity of an object, that is the address of the object in the memory. Syntax, ID of object. Example, x equal to 1566, y is equal to a. Print address of x is ID of x. Print of address of y is ID of y. Here the output is address of x is something 135748675. It's the storage allocation of the storage allocation address in the memory. Address of y is 13480,736. Min function, it returns the minimum value in a list. Here the minimum value is the smallest value. The syntax is min of list. Example, my list equal to 21, 76, 98, 23. Print minimum of my list, that is min list. So from this list, which one is the smallest number? It's 21. So the output is 21. Max function, it returns the maximum value of the list. Maximum value is nothing but the greatest value. Here the syntax is max of list. Example, my list equal to 21, 76, 98, 23. Print of maximum of my list, that is max of my list. Here which one is greater? 98. So the output is 98. Sum function, it returns the sum of values in a list. Syntax, sum of list. Here the example is my list equal to 21, 76, 98, 23. Print sum of my list, max of my list. That is, how to sum all the list. 21 plus 76 plus 98 plus 23. The output is 218. Next one is format function. Format function is nothing but it returns the output based on the format, whether it is a binary or octal or hexadecimal or fixed point notation like that. If it is binary format, the output outputs the number in basis 2. Octal is basis 8. If suppose fixed point notation, it displays the number as a fixed point number, the default precision is 6. Here the syntax is format of value, format spec. Example, x equal to 15, y is equal to 15. Print of x value in binary, print of y value in octal format, print of y value in fixed point notation. Here the output is x value in binary is 1110, y value in octal is 31, y value in fixed point number is 25.000. Round off function, it returns the nearest integer to its input. First argument number is used to specify the value to be rounded. Second argument n digits is used to specify the number of decimal digits desired after rounding. Here the syntax is round off number n digits. Example, x equal to 17.9, y is equal to 22.2, z is equal to minus 18.3. The print of x value is rounded to round of x, y value is rounded to round of y, z value is rounded to round of z. So whatever given inside the print statement, just display it, and the output is first one is 17.9. So 17.9, here the round off value is 18. So next one is 22.2, that is 22. Minus 18.3, here the after the rounding of the value is minus 18. Power function, it returns the computation of AP, that is A power of B. Syntax, power of A comma B. Example, A equal to 5, B is equal to 2, C equal to 3.0. Here print power of A comma B, print power of A comma C, print power of A plus B comma 3. So here A power B means 5 power 2, that is 25. Next one is 5 power 3, that is 125. Next one is A plus B, 5 plus 2 that is 7. 7 power 3 that is 7 cube that is 343. Mathematical function floor function. It returns the largest integer less than or equal to x. Syntax is math dot floor of x. Example, import math x equal to 26.7, y equal to minus 26.7, z equal to minus 23.2. Print of math dot floor of x, print of math dot floor of y, print of math dot floor of z. Here the output is 26.7 minus 26.7 minus 23.2. Here the output is it returns the largest integer less than or equal to x. So first one is 26, next minus 27, next one is minus 24. Shield function, it returns the smallest integer greater than or equal to x. Syntax math dot shield of x. Example, import math x equal to 26.7, y equal to minus 26.7, z is equal to minus 23.2. Print of math dot shield of x, print of math dot shield of y, print of math dot shield of z. Here the output is 27 minus 26 minus 23. It returns the smallest integer greater than or equal to x. Square function, it returns the square root of x. That is, the syntax is sqrt of x. Example, import math a equal to 30, b equal to 49, c equal to 25.5. Print of math dot square root of a, print of math dot square root of b, print of math dot square root of c. Here the output is to find the square root of a number. Here the output is 5.4772255 something. Next one is 7.0. Next one is 5.0 something.